It's just a classic. He's been working around with a blanket now until it becomes like a little girlfriend.
Oh yes.
I have a photo of it.
If you open the door, I think
You might
it will
distract him.
stop.
If you went
Oh
to,
my god.
it's like official state China of the Third Reich. It's a whole subculture of people who collect this Nazi shit. And my dad just has this one thing.
You should put this on the side. Oh.
What's he doing?
Just look. It's just classic.
Just make a video.
He looks ashamed. Oh my god.
Oh, he's actually. Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Oh, poor thing. Get him a playmate.
The thing is, like.